Shri U.K. Sinha, Chairman, Securities and Exchange Board of India, members of the Board of Governors of MDI, Professor Mukul Gupta, Director MDI, Professor Ashok Panjwani, Dean Graduate Programs, distinguished guests, parents and family members of our students, faculty and staff, members of the media, and my dear graduating students. On behalf of the Board of Governors and on my own behalf, I welcome you all to the annual convocation of Management Development Institute, Gurgaon. With great personal pleasure and deep regards, I extend a very warm welcome to our chief guest, Shri U.K. Sinha, Chairman SEBI, who by his presence here lends this event a unique honor and prestige and thereby gives our graduating students moments to cherish ever afterwards. I welcome my colleagues on the Board of Governors whose wise counsel and continuous support has helped MDI achieve all-round excellence. I also welcome our esteemed guests from the government and corporate world. MDI fraternity feels honored and joins me in sharing the pleasure of having you all with us today. MDI was set up by IFCI in 1973 as a society devoted to management, education and research. Over the years, it has grown substantially in terms of number and quality of its programs. Ranked consistently among the top business schools of the country, the Institute has established an outstanding reputation because of the dedication and commitment of the faculty and the hard work and sincerity of the officers and staff. As a result of their efforts, the Institute has left an indelible mark at the national and international levels in the fields of academics and research. MDI has shaped itself up as an institution that provides enabling environment for nurturing talent, excellence, and innovation. Global networking provides MDI students and faculty opportunities for exchanging thoughts, sharing experiences, and learning best practices. The Institute is bringing about improvements in organizational practices in public and private sectors through various training and consulting assignments. In a span of 39 years, MDI Gurgaon has attained an enviable position and has emerged as a global hub for business education, training, and research. When MDI was conceived some 40 years ago, Gurgaon was practically an unknown destination on any map. With a view to replicate the experiment and serve the needs and aspirations of the people in the eastern parts of the country, we are constructing a new campus at Murshidabad in West Bengal. As chairman of the Board of Governors of MDI, I visualize that the new campus will emerge as another institution of excellence over the years. This is a small seed planted for the future generations to benefit from. Let me take this opportunity to thank my colleagues on the board for their continuous support and belief in the institution. I acknowledge the time and effort that they have given to MDI unhesitatingly. On this occasion, I extend my best wishes to Professor Mukul Gupta, Director MDI, who has initiated the much-needed task of intellectual capacity building and inducting fresh talent among the faculty pool of the Institute. Professor Gupta knows MDI very well, and I believe that under his leadership, the Institute would consolidate its strengths to achieve exemplary progress on all frontiers. To the faculty and staff of MDI, I wish to convey my thanks for a job well done and congratulate them for being witness to this convocation that is the culmination of their labor and hard work over the years. I offer my heartiest congratulations to the parents and members of the families of all the graduating students and compliment them for having imbued these young minds with the endurance to have completed the rigor of the programs at MDI Gurgaon and to emerge out of its portals today with flying colors. I convey my heartiest congratulations to the graduating students. You leave this institution at a critical moment in the history of the world, not only in terms of the double-dip recession, but also more importantly in the shift of economic center of gravity from the west to the east. I am not too certain that the academic disciplines have yet absorbed the impact of these challenges. However, I do sincerely hope that your stay at MDI has furnished you with an intellectual apparatus and values and beliefs which would assist you in meeting the challenges of the life ahead of you. A very warm welcome to all of you once again. I now invite the Director of MDI to share with all of us the progress and achievements over the last year. Thank you.